this is just an area where that they built up businesses.
Mind the gap, please.
This is Canary Wharf.
I think there's some nurseries in Canary Wharf. Just for people to work. And maybe there's like schools,
前面的 building 很高，
是
前面没有 building。
是，我知道。
还好我们不用自讲的
Train
名字。
is for Lewisham. The next stop is Heron Keys. When leaving the train,
人家
please
说
remember to take
义
all
勇站
your belongings
在
with
那边
you.
是啊，
是，也是不是安逸，就是从它的上面。
这火车是没有人驾驶的。
and me and Enrico and Shauna and
铁路这么高的，就是。
we all and Garnet I think
前面就是它的那个本业运动，
这个是 River Thames 吗？
Friday night just had a lot of
是
是咖喱呀，咖喱是那个河呀。
and then Enrico
是没有人驾驶。
前面就是他们用电线，
是连电线。
是。以前时候也有人驾这种的火车里面，